Welcome back to Motor Mania. Today we're taking a closer look at the stunning 2025 Volvo S90, a car that blends Scandinavian luxury with cutting-edge innovation like never before. At first glance, the 2025 S90 stands out with a refined, minimalist design. Volvo hasn't tried to reinvent the wheel here, but they've sharpened every detail. The new front grille is more prominent, the signature Thor's hammer headlights are slimmer, and the overall silhouette feels even more elegant and aerodynamic. Under the hood, Volvo continues its commitment to electrification. The S90 now offers a range of powertrains, including a powerful plug-in hybrid variant. The T8 Recharge model produces an impressive 455 horsepower, delivering smooth, effortless performance while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Thanks to a larger battery, the S90's electric-only range has been extended, making short city drives entirely emissions-free. Step inside, and you're greeted by the kind of craftsmanship that Volvo is famous for. Soft Nappa leather, real wood inlays, and a clean, uncluttered dashboard create a calming atmosphere. The new 15-inch vertically mounted touchscreen powered by Volvo's latest Google-based infotainment system is quick, intuitive, and loaded with apps like Google Maps and Spotify, fully integrated with voice commands. Comfort has always been a strong point for the S90, and the 2025 model takes it to the next level. Rear seat passengers are treated to even more legroom, optional massage functions, and a Bowers & Wilkins sound system that turns every drive into a concert experience. On the safety front, Volvo continues to lead the industry. The S90 features the latest pilot assist system, offering semi-autonomous driving on highways, along with advanced collision avoidance tech, blind spot monitoring, and a new proactive side impact protection system that can sense and react faster than ever before. Driving the 2025 Volvo S90 is an experience that's hard to match. It's smooth, quiet, and composed, yet it responds instantly when you need it to. The chassis has been fine-tuned to offer the perfect balance between comfort and agility, making it just as suited for long highway cruises as for quick city errands. With the 2025 S90, Volvo shows that luxury doesn't have to shout. It whispers, with confidence, class, and an unmistakable sense of Scandinavian cool. Thanks for tuning into Motor Mania. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our latest car reviews and news.